FFIE stock has printed a strong rebound from the lows of yesterday, the 12th of September 2023. It printed at 3.46 at some point in that session. Today, over 11.8 million shares have crossed the tape, and it seems the warning to the short sellers who are trying to undermine its valuation is maybe working so far, or just a case of deep buyers are taking advantage of the dip of yesterday. All of these, what you're looking at right now is the 1 minute chart, but have a look at this 1 day chart, and we can see here that the projections of its 10-day moving average is indicating that we're going to have a strong rally for a couple of sessions. I would say maybe till probably next week. Next week will be Thursday or thereabouts. Let's put it out, maybe Thursday 21st. That is, expect that. I mean, this is what we are expecting. It's not that it's going to happen, and this is also projection of the possible outcomes of its 10-day moving average. Okay, so to some extent that is an indication of some strength. This strength it is showing in this session might continue. That's what the statistical projections are indicating. Okay, and on the 1 week chart, we are equally seeing a similar pattern in this 1 week chart. Obviously, being a 1 week chart, it prints every week depending on when that week is, and it's indicating a sideways movement for a couple of sessions, but at some point it may that it's projecting that it might begin to also look up. At least the fact that it's not projecting a downward, it's not printing downward projections, is a positive. Is a positive. So yes, on this 1 day chart we're going to stick with it, and we have the most upper projection is 41.73. That's really ambitious, very, very ambitious. We have something around 32.90. They are all very much bunched up, so we really can't get a lot out there. But okay, there, I think I can get one. I can see $13.48. Well, the reverse split has taken place. Maybe, who knows? 13.48. So let's have a reference and see 13.48 where that is on its history. This is the revised chart for the stock. Not long ago, as of the 16th of June, it was at 36.2. This is obviously based on the revised figures. So 36.2. So $13 and some fraction is not outrageous. As of just 23rd of August, it was at 13.76. Obviously, like I said, it's the revised prices. So that is very much the sort of thing that can happen. It's this sort of thing that can I wouldn't say it's not too unrealistic. Okay, let's get there again and see. Yeah, that projection is let's get it again, 13.48. I think I can make out one here, 20.54, and all the way towards 41.73. 41.73. I also think in recent times as well it has been printed 41.73. Yeah, okay, at least sometime this year those sort of prices were in play. Okay, so let's have a look and see what's going on its order book. I think it's quite an active session for the stock. I think also we can see, yeah, there is a reasonable amount of aggression going on. This is the flow of market orders for buying and selling, and then this is for the bids. The bids are here, the ones that are trying to sell, and then this is the flow for the asks. But all of these colored, these two sides, this the middle one and this left one, they are all orders that are based on every other thing apart from the market orders. This is for the market orders for buying and selling. This is for those trying to sell with all the other orders, limit orders and stop limits, and this is also the case for those who want to buy with limit and stop limits and all, and any other order you can think of. This is where they are going from. That's why you can see they're not as active as here. These ones, because of market order, anything you take what the market price is, you go, and this is where the aggression happens, and this is also where the liquidity squeeze comes out from, because market participants who are here don't want to wait for any other price. They just want to take what is there, and then it begins to influence the price of the stock, and things keep going that way. It's good, it's bad, it's good. It has its benefits. It's market orders are, that's where aggression is. Market orders aggression is played out with market orders, and this is them going through. This is them going through. Yeah. And we can actually see that the lot sizes are very small, so it's you can see definitely there is some liquidity squeeze. Very small amounts of well, nothing very dramatic has really gone on at the moment. It's just been a slight difference in there's a slight change in the price, as we can see. So not a huge lot has gone on, but in any case, you understand what I'm trying to say. You can see the lot sizes. This stock is only trading at $5 and or thereabouts. So you can see that it's just I would say maybe dare I say, mostly a lot of retail hands that are behind this, trading small volumes, and it's definitely influencing things. Yeah. So once again, FFIE showing strength. Okay, let's see whether there's no news out there. No, it's just still the same old news that about the company trying to warn and about short sellers who are trying to undermine the valuation. So but in any case, I think given all of those things as well, the company needs a strong it needs strength in the price of its stock, because it still needs to raise money, and a stronger price will definitely ensure that it will continue to sadly dilute more shares so that it can raise funds. So if you're here already, if you have a position in FFIE, this is also definitely something you probably know already. It's going to continue to depreciate. So it's a game of make the most of what you can, and keep coming. If you make some gains, take it and come back, and then keep doing that. Because in the long term, for some time to come, there's a good chance the stock will even at least what is absolutely guaranteed is, I would say guaranteed. When I say guaranteed, is very much certain, is that the company will continue to issue more shares, to raise funds, or maybe probably what they might do is borrow the funds and then convert them to equity and all that stuff. So upper projections on FFIE around up to $13 and thereabout. The linear regression, that is projecting where the moving averages are going to go in a very short time, are quite bullish, quite positive. So see what you make of FFIE, and thank you very much for watching this video.